In this guide, I'm going to show you how to print on both sides using the Adobe Acrobat for your PDF file. So first, go ahead and access the PDF file that you want to print on both sides. Right-click on it and select Open With. Then select Adobe Acrobat. Once it is opened, you need to go ahead and select the print option in the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear from the top of the screen. Select the printer that you prefer. And once you've selected your desired printer, go ahead and find the option that says Print on both sides of paper. Check this box and now select either Flip on Long Edge or Flip on Short Edge. You can also go through other different settings and set it according to your preference. And after you're done, tap and print from the bottom right corner of this menu. And then follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.